Building Web Services with Java Network Programming. My name is Peter Verhas and I am a senior Java developer and software architect. I have more than 25 years of programming experience and by now more than 10 years of Java development. I have a blog, Java Deep, which is available at http://javox0.wordpress.com, and you can also find my open source code and different programs, currently 48 different repositories at GitHub at http://github.com/verhas. In this course, we will learn about servlet fundamentals, then a little bit more about servlets, advanced servlet programming, then about HTTP2, and then advanced web service programming, then a little bit about network security, and finally about network interoperability. So, after this course, you will be able to understand how to program servlet applications using modern frameworks like Spring, what are the benefits and how to utilize HTTP2 in a secure way, network security, and cooperating with programs that are written in different programming languages.